I must tell you that in as little as about 2 minutes to 5 minutes, you begin to feel the effect taking over, okay? A tingling sensation coming to your ears, down to your neck, and heat is going to heighten, it's going to build up, and it keeps on going up, and it keeps on going up and up, so that you actually feel very hot. Yeah, in a sense, hot, okay? Now, don't be concerned because this product is actually heightening your system. It's like rebooting your system. So it delivers the blood into your muscle groups, into your brain, into your lungs. So sometimes you need to breathe, conscious breathing, so you can actually breathe in oxygen and be delivered to your organs and to your muscle groups. Okay? If you feel that there's a little twisting in your abdomen, that's natural. You don't have to worry about, because that's actually telling you it's trying to squeeze some more of the blood to be delivered into other organs, okay? And that's the reason why when you take this, you have to take this on an empty stomach. Because when you are full, the blood rushes into your digestive system to help you digest the food, right? Okay, so you have to be hungry. You have to be like 3 hours away from your last meal, okay? So when was your last meal? Yes. Wow, okay, you're on the fast right now? That's good. What about you, ma'am? An hour ago. Well, I'm sorry, you might not be able to feel the full effect of this product if you still have some food in your stomach, no? What about you, sir? 10 a.m. Okay. Okay. But I'm going to take a chance on you. So I'm going to give all three of you, just the three of you, one sachet each, so each one of you can actually try this. Okay? I'm going to give each one of you one sachet. Now, I have to tell you that when you take this, you have to be able to picture in your mind, what if you're the ones actually giving this to your friend, and you have to be able to leverage on this product. Because when you get this box, you only have 10 sachets, 10 sachets in one box.
How much?
Okay, and this is the lowest entry level in this business driver package. Okay, so I want you to be able to visualize in mind that you give out these samples to your friend, you have to be able to actually bring them to a close, so you can actually benefit from this business, okay? So here you are, this is one for you. Here's one, here's that. Okay, now you have a small slit here.